The Ken Brown 20-inch exhaust fan is a versatile solution for removing heat, moisture, and unpleasant odors from various spaces, including residential, commercial, and industrial areas. Crafted with high-grade aluminum shutters and blades, this fan is designed to resist corrosion and withstand both moisture and high temperatures, ensuring long-term durability. The fan features automatic gravity shutters that seamlessly open and close with its operation, enhancing its efficiency and ease of use. Installation is a breeze with the pre-installed 1.65 meters power cord, allowing for a plug-and-play setup without the need for complex wiring. Delivering superior airflow, this fan operates at 120 volts and provides a high-speed operation of 1,009 rotations per minute, effectively cooling and ventilating large areas. With its industrial-grade performance, the Ken Brown exhaust fan is capable of handling significant ventilation needs, making it an ideal choice for spaces like greenhouses and workshops.